What's up, YouTube? It's Team Shouted Edge Jordan here today, and I got a pack opening for you guys. I just got back from Walmart, and I got 2 packs of Cosmo Blazer and a Prophecy Destroyer tin. So let's start with the packs. Maybe I'll pull a Pyro Rex or the Fire Fist Rank 4 Exceed. There's one pack. Wow, that one was hard to open. And here's the second pack. First pack. So we got Raven, Tensu, Bacon Saber, Zero Z-Rock. Ooh, Orbital 7. I have no idea what that is, but it's a holo. And we got Fire Formation Cedo for our rare. Second pack. Gaga Clerk, nice. And Slacker Magician for our rare. Alright, so those were decent packs. I wonder how much this Orbital 7 is, because I've never heard of that. And we got the Gaga Clerk. So, we'll set those there. Now we have the 10. These are always a pain in the ass to open. Sorry, bear with me. If you guys are interested in more pack openings, like this video, comment what packs I should open. I'll be getting some money next week so I can get a box, so comment down below with what box you think I should get, or if I should get tins or gold series or what. So we have the 10. Get this thing. You get the promos. I don't even know what's in here. I know Strike Bouncer's in here, but let's see what else is in here. Prophecy Destroyer Secret, Endless Decay, ooh, Steel Swarm Roach, Photon Strike Bouncer, and Infernity Barrier. I actually really like those promos. Alright, so we'll start with Galactic Overload. And we got Light Ray Grepher as our rare. There's nothing special out of that pack. Maybe we'll pull a Ghost Rare in this pack, maybe. Not getting my hopes up though. Ooh, Queen Dragon Dijin, nice. And we got a Gaga Gardena as our rare. What-tail Dragon, that's good. Photon Shockwave. Alexandrite Dragon. Another holo, nice. And Baby Tyragon. Guys, if you want anything that I've pulled, just comment down below or you can PM me. Everything will be going in my binder, except for the Strike Bouncer. Got a Dragonfly. And last pack. And no holo in that pack. So, I'll go over the holos again. Got Super Rare Alexandrite Dragon. Super Rare Queen Dragon Dijin. Super Infernity Barrier. Super Photon Strike Bouncer, Super Steel Swarm Roach, Super Endless Decay, Secret Rare Prophecy Destroyer, Super Orbital 7, and Super Gaga Clerk. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you want any of these cards, or if you have any requests for what pack I should open next, just comment down below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Team Shouted Edge Jordan signing out.